The global agenda is a web of deceit. Genesis 1. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the water from the waters. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. And the evening and the morning were the second day. The sun, moon, and stars were made and placed in the heavens on the fourth day. The truth is clear. The earth is a square and stationary level plane. The earth is not a spinning globe. The Vatican, NASA, and the Illuminati have woven false narratives into the very fabric of society. They have complete control of our schools and airwaves and news media. They control every aspect of our lives. And we, the unsuspecting masses, have been led like sheep to the slaughter. False alien invasions, Project Bluebeam, these aren't just conspiracy theories, they are the weapons of manipulation wielded by the powerful. They want us to believe in a reality that is not ours, to accept a world painted by their brush, a world where we look up at the sky and see only their illusions. But I tell you, the earth is not a globe. It is a level plane, a magnificent expanse beneath a firmament that holds the heavens above, the sun, the moon, the stars, each a testament to the truth of creation. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. The very essence of existence began with His word, and He spoke light into being. The darkness fled, and the separation of light and dark marked the first day. This isn't just a story, it's a declaration of reality. God's design was perfect, and in that perfection He established a firmament in the midst of the waters, dividing them, creating order from chaos. And yet here we stand, bombarded daily by the global agenda, a relentless assault on our senses through television screens and social media feeds. They bombard us with the lies of Elon Musk, SpaceX, NASA, rockets, satellites, gravity, each a cog in the machine of deception. This isn't just misinformation, it's mind control, a systematic effort to warp our understanding of the universe. The Vatican, Masonic secret organizations, the Illuminati, they are the puppeteers pulling the strings behind this grand illusion. They manipulate our beliefs, our thoughts, our very understanding of reality. Even those who profess to be Christians have fallen prey to this grand deception, perpetuating the spinning globe lie, blind to the truth that lies before them. They have turned away from sound doctrine, chasing after fables that tickle their ears, choosing comfort over conviction. The time is now for awakening. The apostate Christian church has lulled many into complacency, but the truth is a clarion call to those willing to listen. Your redemption is drawing nigh, but it requires a reckoning, a willingness to confront the uncomfortable reality that has been hidden away in plain sight. We must peel back the layers of deceit and see the world as it truly is, a level plane, a creation designed by God, not a spinning ball lost in the void of space. The firmament above us is not just a poetic notion, it is a boundary, a protective dome that holds the waters above and below, a divine structure that speaks of order and intention. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows His handiwork. Yet we've been taught to dismiss these truths, to accept the narratives of a world that seeks to distance us from our Creator. The stars are not distant suns, they are the lights placed in the firmament to guide us, to remind us of our place in this grand design. We must awaken from this slumber of ignorance. The false flags and false spaceships are not just the stuff of science fiction, they are the tools of a sinister agenda, meant to distract and deceive us. The world is watching, waiting for us to rise up, to reclaim our understanding of reality, to reject the lies that have been fed to us. It is time to stand firm in the truth, to proclaim the reality of our existence, to embrace the beautiful creation that God has given us. We are not alone in this fight. The heavens are with us, and the truth will set us free. He who has an ear, let him hear what the Spirit of God is saying to the churches in these last days. God bless the people of God.